Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to fix your controller or gamepad not working in Over The Top WWI on PC. First, open Steam. Right-click the game, go to Properties, Controller, and try Enable Steam Input. Relaunch the game and check. If it doesn't work, try Disable Steam Input and test again. Next, select your controller in USB Game Controllers. Open Setup USB Game Controller. Advanced. Choose your Xbox or PlayStation controller. Click OK and check. Still not working? Open Device Manager. Human interface devices and disable any extra keyboard, mouse, or dongle that might interfere. Disconnect extra controllers, arcade sticks, virtual controllers, or multiple monitors. Try a wired connection for your controller. PlayStation users can use DS4 Windows. Xbox users can update the controller via the Xbox Accessories app. Similarly, PlayStation users can use the PlayStation Accessories app to update their controller. Finally, launch Steam in Big Picture mode and start the game from there. One of these steps should get your controller working. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe.